Hi guys, I'm Chase with WIKD Motorsports, and today we got an unboxing and install on some black boost intakes and downpipes for our WIKD G-63 wagon. So first things first, we're going to kick this off with the intakes. Now these are specific to the M177 motor that's in our G-Wagon. That's the 4-liter bi-turbo V8. I don't know if there's a huge difference between these intakes and say like the intakes for the what is it, the M500 or the 550 or G500, G550? I can't remember. Don't quote me on that. But, ooh, right off the bat,
good packaging.
Good packaging for sure. Like, definitely digging this. Ooh. So, what's cool about these intakes is that it seals in the air box, so there's like absolutely no air loss basically as it travels to the 4.3 inch conical filters. Oh hey, look, he even sent us a black boost license plate frame, so that's pretty cool. This looks like the housing for the filters. Ooh, get in here, look at this. Ooh, look how clean that is.
All right, that's pretty cool.
Man, yeah, look at this.
Nice.
Very, very clean. The fit, I always appreciate like fit and finish on products.
Yeah.
So, and I know that on something like a G-Wagon, you can't skimp on fit and finish. So
Yep.
we're gonna set this aside right over here. See what else we got. Looks like piping, probably might have the housing for the map sensor on it. Yeah, there you go. That looks nice. Matches. It's gonna look good. Looks like a support, probably of some kind. I don't know. I'm a Corvette guy, so I'm looking at Mercedes stuff right now, and it's just witchcraft. Yeah, look at that. Everything on these. Look at these. Look at these. So clean. Heck yeah. And this would be the other pipe for the other side. And then I have to imagine in these boxes here, we've got filters. So let's check these out. Yeah, so like I said, these are 4.3 inch conical, well, kind of conical, kind of cylindrical filters that will be completely enclosed inside the box. So there's not a bunch of wasted air. Everything that makes it inside of the box will get pulled into these. And the couplers. So pretty straightforward. You guys have all seen intakes before. However, you've probably not seen one as clean as this. So, all right. And on camera, shop guys, hardware is in the box. So if it's missing, it was not me. All right, now for the downpipes. They are half as clean as the intake is. It's gonna be a shame that they're gonna be under the car and hidden. Also very well packed. Okay, it's been 12 years, but I'm finally unwrapping the last one. These things were packaged. But again, I respect it. But look at that. That's pretty. These are gonna look real good on there for about, I don't know, the 30 minutes that it takes to install.
Yeah.
After that, we'll never see them again, I hope. All right, so we're gonna set these to the side. We're gonna get everything in the shop so the guys can start installing it all in the G-Wagon.
Right?
Michael's upset.
What are your initial
Michael's
thoughts
upset because Jack made it.
on the build quality?
It's black. Oh, on the quality? So far, not bad. It's a little more than I thought for an intake.
Right? It's huge.
That goes underneath all of it.
Did we open this?
I don't think so.
Oh,
What is that?
Controller, maybe?
Adrenaline and
Controller.
emotions.
Oh wow, that's where those have been.
oh is this stickers?
Oh, it's merch.
Uh,
Oh, wait.
Nice.
some of this looks important. I just want the. I just
Wait,
want
is
the
that
balls.
an air freshener?
It is.
Bro, shout out Black Boost. They kind of kill it with their merch.
Oh, a little.
All right, so now that everything is unboxed again, everything's accounted for, which means I get to keep my job. We're gonna get started on the G-Wagon, getting first the intake installed. We already have taken it to the track to get a baseline number. We've already put it on the dyno to get kind of a baseline of its power. But now the intake goes on, Nick's gonna tune it, then the downpipes will go on, and then Nick will probably finish like polishing the tune, and then we'll actually get a final number for how much power the Black Boost intake and downpipes will be adding to our G63 wagon. So just to recap, fantastic looking airbox, and this is super cool. Look at what they sent us. They sent us a little badge and it says handcrafted for WIKD Motorsports. So that's just a huge, huge shout out to Black Boost for that. That just looks so cool. This, I actually didn't unwrap initially in the unboxing. This looks amazing too. Have no idea what it is, but we'll find out here pretty shortly. Just everything about this kit just is so good as far as presentation. So we're really excited to get it on, and that's where
Michael
and Adam come in.
So, what are y'all doing right now?
We are attaching. I'm assuming the blow off.
Okay.
Turbo intake. I guess like you call it a recirc valve.
Okay.
Yes, we're just kind of swapping
Just
all
the
the
little stuff.
Yeah, the old
first.
stuff over to the new box, and then once we get it in, we'll be able to put the pipe on with the coupler and the filter, and then the main shield.
Cool. We're matching.
Nick here with WIKD Tune today. We got the 2023 G-Wagon back on the dyno. We baselined it before, and we have now added the Black Boost intake setup on it, so a little more volume, more flow. So we're going to baseline it with the intakes on it before we tune it to kind of see the gains. The weather's a little cooler today. We'll see if it's comparable. And then we're gonna flash a stage 1 tune on it and see what it makes.
Let's go. I guess 585. I'm super close. What did you guess?
I guess 450.
I guessed 585. I guessed 585. I was super close.
That's without tune?
You didn't tune it,
just
right?
intake.
Yeah. Oh shit. Ooh. All right, so that's with just the intake and no tune.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, then I kind of undersold it.
Yeah. I was gonna
What you
say.
said, 580 with the tune?
I said 585 after intake and tune.
Uh,
I don't know like what these things have like.
I'm
in
gonna
reserve.
say 650 and 7 something.
So with the downpipes or just intake and tune?
Just tune.
Just the tune.
So
Oh,
do these
The
have
biggest increase will be this first flash.
Huh? It might keep up with the 4 on the now.
Like the stage 2 that goes in, it's still gonna have a torque limiter in the CPC that we'll hit, which is like, I don't know, it's like 1100 newton meters or something.
See, I
So
didn't.
then you bump that up and it'll allow more boost.
I didn't expect there would be that much to extract out of it because I would have thought that as far as power goes, they're like out of the box would have been tuned really like efficiently.
Yeah.
For,
It is. I mean, it made 550. You know?
True.
but like 650 with just 100 horsepower at the wheels with just intakes and a tune is like,
Pretty legit.
yeah, that's like astonishing. So I guess I would have figured that
And it's
they would have
limited,
gotten
so-
a lot of
Oh,
the,
it is?
like most of the power.
Well, that's
out
how
of it.
they also sell the Bravas and all that stuff. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So most of it's like they sell you all this expensive shit, but really it's just a really engineered tune, and they'll crank it out with free flowing exhaust and intakes.
Right.
But they could sell it for $1 million because
Yeah.
it makes 1,000
Yeah.
crank.
Yeah.
Right.
All right, just got done with the stage 1 tune on the G63. We ended up at 650 horse and 720 torque, so a pretty good increase, a little over 100 horsepower and like 150 torque or so. So pretty happy with that. Still from the graph, you can see that it's hitting the cap protection. We still have the factory downpipes on it. So the next stage, we're gonna do the stage 2, and we're gonna get rid of those factory downpipes, install the Black Boost downpipes, and see what kind of gains we can get out of it then. Okay, so with the Black Boost intakes, no tune, it picked up 30. So that's what they advertise, 8 to 30. It picked up 30 on the nose. So really happy with that for just, bolt on. You don't want to tune it, any of that. It's definitely a very good upgrade for a bolt-on piece.
All right, so now that we've gotten through the first part, we got the Black Boost intakes on, we did the first part of the tune, which is gonna be the part of the tune where we pick up the most power. Now it's time for step 2, and that is getting the Black Boost downpipes onto the G-Wagon. Michael is already working on getting it disassembled so these can go on, and then we're gonna throw it back on the dyno and get our final number, sort out the very last bits in the tune. So now the fun part, I was completely wrong when I was trying to guess like what it was gonna pick up. I severely underestimated Nick's abilities, apparently. We ended up with 650 wheel horsepower and 712 foot-pounds of torque, which is just wild over the 550 baseline that we did. So now, what do you think, Aiden or Adam or anyone who wants to pitch in? What do you guys think we'll pick up with the downpipes now? I'm gonna say we're gonna get another 22 horsepower. So I'm gonna say 672. So
Michael, what do you think? 700. 700? Adam? What do you think?
610. It's gonna go down.
It's gonna go down.
All right, well, there's only one way to find out, so let's go ahead and get these things on there.
Easy peasy, it's a baby. It's a
Baby boy.
Oh, I'm going to.
See video on TikTok. Who?
Yeah, the hot two girl? Yeah.
No.
Disappointing. I thought it sounded much better. You know why? Because I'm sitting there thinking like the dual exhaust on the old SLSs, because they had a non-turbo V8 in it, but it was like it was huge. Oh, there's nothing back there.
Nothing entertaining.
Yeah, literally turbo pipe.
All right, well,
We did that.
for once it's gonna sound better with mufflers on it.
Yeah.
That was a little disappointing.
WIKD G-Wagon. That's
I
what.
like WIKD Wagon.
WIKD G-Wagon. No?
Not too much.
G-Wagon.
Wagon.
G-Wagon. G-Wagon.
When y'all go up, I want a white wagon.
G-Wagon.
Jack's the one that came up with the G-Wagon thing.
Not true.
Yeah, you did.
I knew Michael.
No,
Michael
it
came up
was
with
Jack.
wagon.
It was Jack.
No,
As long as it never comes back to me, it's cool.
it's the wicked wagon.
G-Wagon. It's a G-Wagon.
Wicked wagon.
G-Wagon.
I like it.
Me too.
You like widen in the wicked wagon?
You got like a listen to it.
The wicked wagon wide really nice.
It's a wicked wagon. Super fast wicked wagon.
Just got done with the G63 wagon as we call it. Was able to get 669 and 742 out of it. So pretty good gains. It'll be back for a CPC and TCU tune, and then probably some turbos down the road. And we'll see you then.